everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Tamara and today I am trying to make this stocking look cute. The reason I even have this stocking is a few years ago I did a huge haul and all of my decor was inspired by 90s movies. Movies like Home Alone, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. I just loved the cozy feeling I got from watching these movies and I wanted to create the same feeling in our home. Fast forward to this year and I can't stop thinking about whimsical, sparkly, bright decorations. So I went ahead and made a really cute tropical wreath and I'll link a video here if you want to see that. And then from there I had a few extra decorations. So I decided, oh my gosh, let's see if we can make this boring old sock into something kind of whimsical and cute. The few extra decorations I had were this white ribbon, cute little pom-poms, and then also have these like oversized acorns. Not acorns, I always say acorns. These oversized pine cones. Just a couple of little things, and basically I just hot glued everything to the stocking, except for these little loops that are at the back of the stocking. That needs to be reinforced so that if I fill it with any kind of like heavier gifts or trinkets, it's not going to rip off the stock. So I used hot glue for the pom-poms, I used hot glue for the cute little stripe underneath the sock, and then I replaced the silver red kind of like dollar store twine with my own like white twine. Once I thought it was all done, I realized the pine cones were missing something, and that is that little snowy cap look. See here, I'm just like, I'm not even thinking about where I'm putting it, I'm just dabbing it on. The less you think about it, the prettier it looks. This is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. I think it's so cute, little like fluffy pom-poms. It's so Christmassy. I created a little like gift station and I filled it up with plants, lights, and a few other things. And that blanket down below is actually just from the Dollarama, and I just scrunched it up because I like that fluffy Christmassy snow look. So that's it, super simple. 3 things to make your stocking look a little bit cuter and not so boring and bland. And if you made it this far, yoo-hoo! Have a great day. Bye!